Okay, let's scroll down to page 2 and select the text under Running Windows. And let's go to the Format menu, Paragraph, and click the up arrows for before and after to select 6 points. That's under the heading section of spacing. And then we'll click OK and see the effect. Now place the insertion point in the first paragraph under Running Windows. And let's go to the Format menu, Paragraph, and the line spacing drop arrow and select 1.5 lines and OK. Now scroll down to the next section and place the insertion point before the initialization INI files heading. There we are. And press Control Enter. Hold the Control key down and press Enter. That gives a hard page break. Let's click the Show Hide button and scroll up and see that page break. Now click the Backspace button to get rid of it. And let's click in the Initialization INI files heading and go to the Format menu, Paragraph, the Line and Page Break tab, and select Page Break Before and click OK. That gives us another page break again, but let's take it off and go to Format, Paragraph, and deselect it and say OK. And let's click the Show Hide button to turn it off. Now let's go to the File menu and Page Setup. And let's increase the left and right settings when this thing comes up. We'll click the up arrow and change that to 0.8 and that one to 0.8 and say OK. Now let's go back into Page Setup and go to the paper size and make sure portrait selected. OK. Now let's click the Print Preview button and double click on the page. And click on the page again to just bring it out. And then click off that magnifying glass button and set the zoom to 100% and position the insertion point between Windows and Component under the initialization INI file and type in 16-bit. Remember, you're working here in Print Preview. Let's click that magnifier again. Let's click on the page twice to see what happens. Let's close and save.